Oakley, go see. Go. Where's Alec? Look at him go. Now go to the left.
Oakley, come on. Oakley, come on.
This is tiring, just watching him. Look at him. I know. Man, it's deep, huh, Oakley? Oh my goodness, you're in a trench. Go get him, Oak. Go get him. Oakley. Oakley. Call him that way, Alec.
Oakley, come on. Oakley.
See if he'll go through the deep stuff.
Here. Here, bud. Here.
Oh no, be careful. He's like, uh-oh. I got you on video. Go. Oops!
Tired, Oak? Nope.